Robert, come on. Like this. Twist. Good. Wait. Good. Wait, now wait. Look what you should do. Look. Just look at Daddy. I will show you. Little bit of stretch. Look. We will take cherry. Robert, look. Robert. He's busy. Yeah, a shape. Look. Just two. Put here two. Robert, look. Put here two. And close. And make like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 4, 5. Yes, very beautiful. Look. See? See? Oh, no, wait, look. Yes, beautiful. Come on, do like this. Robert, do. Come on, repeat. Come on.
Daddy.
Okay, so let's make the form. I will give you the form. Wait. Let's make the shape. Let's make the shape. We will make here a cut. Yes. Now give me 1 second. Look. Do like this. Wait 1 second. Take this. Wait. Put cherry. Yeah. I put cherry here. Come on. Put here cherry. Put here 1 and 2. Hey, come on. Put. Come on. Look. See? It's very big. You are making a big dumpling.
Done. Papi.
What? You want to eat? Yeah. It's good?